Hello everyone. Today is 13th of November and we are driving from Rajiv Chowk to Noida via the newly opened Delhi-Mumbai Expressway spur, which connects from Sohna, Gurugram to D&D Flyway, via which you can directly go to South Delhi, Noida, Sarai Kale Khan, Dehradun Expressway and so on. Right now this spur is open till Kalindi Kunj, and the next 9 kilometers that will connect you to D&D will be open by March 2025. The Kalindi Kunj spur has been open on 12th of November, and right now we are on Sohna elevated road. From Rajiv Chowk to Sohna it takes around 15 minutes. The speed limit is 100 km per hour, and we are shooting this video just to make your life a little easier, to avoid traffic that you face day in day out while traveling from Noida to Gurugram or from Gurugram to Noida. Via this road you can travel in approx 1 hour 15 minutes through an elevated road expressway, which is absolutely traffic free. You don't find traffic congestions. You can just put your car in the top gear and you are back home at Noida, or if you're coming from Noida side then you are in Gurgaon. We are entering Delhi Mumbai Expressway. You can see the entry. That's the signboard. This is the entry point for Delhi Mumbai Expressway. The moment you enter here, it becomes a 4-lane each side expressway. I think if I can use Delhi Mumbai Expressway for my daily travel between Noida to Gurugram, why won't I? Yes, I do pay some toll, but then I save a lot of time, because when I was checking from Rajiv Chowk, my Google map was showing around 2 hours to Noida. And the moment I picked up this road, it is now showing 1 hour few minutes, which is great. It's saving me a lot of time, a lot of traffic congestion, and this is a beautiful expressway to drive. So I'll take you to Noida with me today. Stay tuned. So this is a beautiful shot, an engineering marvel, where you see this beautiful bridge and the people are pretty much standing here enjoying the view. This is your Delhi Mumbai Expressway surrounded by Aravalli Range. You can see these beautiful bridges and this structure which tells that how much our country is progressing, how much our government is putting their efforts and our tax money on these infrastructure upliftment, which is great for you and me and our coming generation. Because one thing we were lacking in was infrastructure, and seeing such beautiful infrastructure can only give you a lot of happiness and pride. And here you get the toll plaza, which is again beautiful structure. Of course, when you are using such roads, you are saving a lot of fuel, and on top of it, priceless, absolutely a lot of time. So yes, for that we should not hesitate to pay a nominal toll fee for using this infrastructure, so that it can be well maintained as well for years to come. Once you cross the toll plaza, keep an eye on this rest and service area signboard, because that is where you will get the interchange for New Delhi spur of Delhi Mumbai Expressway, which will take you to the newly opened Delhi Mumbai Expressway spur, which is going via Faridabad as a bypass route. So you take this left where you see this signboard for Palwal Kundli and this service area. So you take this left. You have these yellow strips because you have to go a little slow, and then you see Delhi and Faridabad in the signboard. I hope you are able to look at the signboard which says Delhi and Faridabad, and now just follow it. Just follow it. Go straight, and here you can see Faridabad. Just zoom the signboard. Yeah, if you can see Faridabad and KMP Expressway, just take a left and you are on your way. Just keep following Faridabad, Noida, Delhi. Now if you look at this signboard, see it's telling you that you're going towards Noida, Delhi, Faridabad. So that's the interchange where you have to leave Delhi Mumbai Expressway and get onto the New Delhi alignment, which is of DND, Noida, Kalindi Kunj, Faridabad, all the way. Now if you see here, Noida is 66, Delhi is 65, Faridabad is 33, and we are going straight now on this beautiful expressway to Kalindi Kunj. Enjoy this seamless drive with us, and we are at kilometer 50 already without even knowing that there is any effort in driving. And we are crossing WFDC corridor, which is your Western Freight dedicated corridor, which is for the transportation of the goods by train. And this is a dedicated corridor which have been built by the government. It's a great initiative, and the road connectivity and the road infrastructure is absolutely amazing. I mean, I'm driving for 10 minutes and it is just effortless. It's absolutely effortless. I couldn't have ever imagined that I'll travel like this from Noida to Gurgaon someday. But yeah, I mean, it's a reality today. I have started from Rajiv Chowk going towards Kalindi Kunj, New Delhi, and just look at the road. Absolutely seamless. I'm in the top gear. I don't have to brake. I don't have to use clutch. I'm in absolutely beautiful, effortless drive that I'm enjoying today. So I think, yeah, it is a good way for commute between Noida and Gurgaon. Enjoy the drive with us. You can see that on the right side. Now that's your expressway to Noida International Airport. That's 31 kilometer expressway, which will take you to Noida International Airport. So in future, if you want to travel from IGI International Airport to Noida International Airport, this will be your route. Just parallel to Delhi Mumbai Expressway, New Delhi Spur. And what you see on the left side, this is Faridabad, which we are bypassing at one point of time. It was a humongous traffic. Either you were taking Mathura Road, where you used to face a lot of traffic jams. Now you can absolutely skip the Mathura Road for your travel, and you can take this Delhi Mumbai Expressway, where you can drive at the speed of approx 100 and travel directly to Kalindi Kunj, and only in couple of months you will hit DND, Sarai Kale Khan, South Delhi via the same expressway. You can see the signboard, Kalindi Kunj is 22, Delhi 32, Noida 33. What it means is that right now you can exit at Kalindi Kunj, The next 9 kilometers of DND will be operational in a couple of months, and then you can directly exit this expressway at DND, and from DND you can go to multiple locations as per your plan for the day. The roads, as you see, are, I'm speechless. It almost doesn't feel like an office drive. It's almost I'm out on a long drive and just enjoying my drive. It's no more the traffic, it's no more the congestion, it's no more I'm being frustrated with this driving. No, not at all. I mean, it's just sheer beauty, effortless driving, a long drive which I'm totally enjoying on this Delhi Mumbai Expressway. But this is do drive on this expressway. Please share your comments after that. What was your experience? I would love to hear that. I highly recommend you come on this expressway, do drive here, because it's nothing but absolute pleasure. So we are now at Kalindi Kunj, 5 kilometers. And what you see on the right side, these are the elevated paths that will get installed at the next 9 kilometers, which will connect you to DND. And you can see the machines in front of me ahead. This is to make the next final 9 kilometers ready. So right now the elevated section to DND, which you see on the right side, is under construction, and but the service lanes are good enough. You can see the service lane. It's already wide enough, which will take you to Kalindi Kunj. And once you hit Kalindi Kunj, you can pretty much take a right, go to Noida, take a left, go to Delhi, or whichever location you would like to. This is your exit at Kalindi Kunj. This is a road which is right next to the metro station. When you're coming from Noida, from this traffic light you take a left, and if you want to go towards Noida, from this traffic light just take a right. So you can see the Kalindi Kunj metro station. This is where you get this road from, and you take a left, you take the bridge, and we will enter Noida. Of course, after driving on such a seamless road, it's highly unlikely that you will appreciate the traffic anymore. But yeah, that's what NCR is. And I'm no YouTuber, so I'm just like a 9-to-5 IT professional like you, like any one of you. And you can see the Supertech Nova building. A lot of smog. This is that part of the year, winters, where you have a lot of smog in NCR. So I hope this video will help you to make your office journey a little more comfortable when you travel to Gurgaon next time. And do hit a like if you intend to use this